A Xorkee handle is your unique digital ID that lets you digitally sign and authenticate across Xorkee-enabled services. But what if you suddenly lost access to it? There are scenarios that could lead to this, such as losing your phone, accidentally deleting the Xorkee app, changing your biometrics, or device reset. And if your Xorkee handle is linked to multiple services, losing it can cause a major disruption. You would have to create a new handle, re-register it with every service, which is time-consuming and frustrating. But what if recovery didn't have to be a struggle? And that's why Xorkee lets you add a nominee. A nominee is a trusted individual, such as a family member, a friend, or even your own second device who also has a registered Xorkee handle. By assigning someone as your nominee, you are giving them permission in advance to help you recover your handle. Adding a nominee gives you a secure fallback and helps avoid service disruption. Here's how to add a nominee to your Xorkee handle. Open the Xorkee app on your mobile phone. Your handle will be displayed on the home screen. Tap on Add Nominee in the bottom menu. This will open the Xorkee Profile Manager in your browser. Enter the handle of the person you wish to nominate. They must already have a registered Xorkee handle. Tap Add. You will receive a signing request in your Xorkee app. Tap Approve and confirm using your fingerprint or Face ID. The nomination will take effect once your nominee accepts the request in their Xorkee app. Once accepted, you will receive a confirmation message and your nominee is now successfully added. That's it, a quick and a secure way to protect your handle and ensure uninterrupted services. Add a nominee today.